Hi all, welcome back to my channel. As promised, this is part 2 to our getaway house experience. We have taken the time out to go to a nearby town called South Haven. Beautiful, beautiful town on Lake Michigan. So here in this vlog, we rented some bikes and we are going to explore South Haven on bikes. We're going to go to Lake Michigan, and we also went to a bike trail. And at the end of this vlog, we went back to our getaway cabin and we cooked up the most amazing meal on an open fire. If you are interested in just seeing what we cook, go ahead and fast forward. In the description bar below, there will be timestamps, so you can skip this if you're not interested in seeing our bike view of the town, South Haven. And if you have not watched our part 1 to Getaway House, please, please, please go and support and watch that first vlog. I do a complete review on the cabin. So if you are interested in possibly renting a cabin, but you're just, want some ins and outs, go watch that. But so far, you guys, we are having the time of our lives. We're unplugging and we're just enjoying each other and enjoying what the getaway cabin is giving us, and also South Haven. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for all of your support. I appreciate it and I am so thankful. But go ahead, sit back, and we'll show you what this town has to offer, and then cook up a nice meal with you guys.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we could jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
We've been back for a while now. Been chilling, relaxing right here by the fire. So we got the fire nice and hot, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and put everything on the grill, and I'll show you guys now. You know, for them to have everything already here for us, they got some pretty good, like, knives. So this knife here is pretty good. And so far, they've been nice and sharp. So I'm going to just roughly cut these potatoes up. I've had my meat out now for about 10 minutes. I usually let my meat, I'm just going to cut them like this. Just like this. I usually let my meat get to room temperature because it just cooks evenly. Now I'm going to use one of the olive oil packs they gave me. I don't know where they got this from, but I want to buy these. These are so convenient. I'm going to just put some of this pack in here. The pot is already heating up. It's nice and hot. Potatoes in. Try to get an even layer. I'm gonna just throw them all in, and I'm gonna even them out. So you guys, these are the steaks that I have. Just 2 regular ribeye steaks. Alright, so I went and got my knife. There we go. Just cut right down the middle. There we go. Okay. Be very careful when doing this. And when you butter fry, you cut right down the middle. You don't cut all the way to the tail. Then you take it, and they do this like this. You guys can see that. It almost reminds me of tuna. Good, just like that. Okay, we're gonna do the next one. So you guys, everything is all done. I got my lobster here, a piece of the steak, which I cooked it the way I like it, which is almost done. And then my salmon and some canned baked beans. Stay tomorrow with me. You